Mandy's Grounds Control, doing brush clearance here in the mountains of Los Angeles. We are trying out the electric weed whacker. So far it's doing real good. I'm used to the string trimmer, the gas string trimmer, but I think the future is going to be electric power tools. Check it out. We are doing this property. It's about 50 feet, a lot of oak trees. Beautiful trees. Almost done with the brush clearance. We're always happy to do the service here in this house. Thank you for watching Manny's Grounds Control. While I'm doing the brush clearance, just want to show you this beautiful view of the mountains here. I think it's amazing. There's a private house over there. Right there. Beautiful area. Lots of vegetation, which is good. As you can see over there, they're done with the brush clearance. And over there,
I tried so hard.